Hey folks, how y'all doing? We're gonna be doing a video today on we're getting new fencing putting up. Our other fence is kind of rotten, rotted over the years and rusted away, and just painted it one time and just years ago it just ain't doing it. It's like 30 years old. So it's time for a new one. But anyway, here's our old fence behind us. That's where I painted. And here's the other fence. Upright's alright, but just the rusted fence is getting kind of shoddy. Plus the wife wants a new fence, so hey, that's what we're gonna do. Alright, I'll show you some more of the fence. Alright y'all, here's another part of the fence. That's where they left off. Man, this is look at that stuff. This is rusted. It was part of my neighbor's fence and mine. Mine, they attached to it, but it got away over the years. This hedgerow kind of grew up in it, and I cut it back as much as I could. They're gonna take that all down too. That's actually fence behind there. Let me see. You see it? I get a little stroll down here. Yeah, it been some heavy duty stuff. But yeah, it's time. It's time. Let's go show you the new work what they've been doing, what they are doing. All right, y'all. We're getting new black fence, coated, powder coated and vinyl coated. And that's what we're going with. Yes, y'all, she's gonna look good. And we're getting that coil down at the bottom. Keep the dog from digging out. But they're doing a heck of a job. Yeah, well, we'll be back later. This is Russell Fence Company. I've been in Luther for a while. You're good people, and you do good work. I ain't gonna hold them guys up. They're too busy working. All right, now we'll be back after a while. Okay, folks, we got the coil wire down there. That's to prevent dogs from digging out. I mean, they'll still dig, but you know, that's just hose it down. Prevent them from digging out, that is. And let's say they got the fence unrolled and they're tying it up now. That's a one slick fence. It's straight as an arrow too, y'all. Straight as an arrow. And they're doing a heck of a job. And here we got the back gate back here. Well, that's coming along. All right. Here's some more. This is a coil stock down here. And I say it's to prevent animals from digging out. All that good stuff. That's one of the landscaping rocks. That'll either go or either stay. We'll see. But anyway, this is what it looks like. Before they start putting it up. But yeah, it's Russell Fence Company out of Petersburg, Virginia. I'll put a link below and give you a telephone number and all that stuff. They're really good here. And very, very good work. I ain't kidding. All right, let's go around to the front here. Oh, this is the front. This is the other side of the front of the house. All right, y'all. Here's the front. And it's good. I don't have a gap over here anymore. Before I had a gap where animals could get out. Good thing that's vinyl behind there. But that's the way she's gonna be. Before there must have been a 4-inch gap there where animal, little puppy or a small dog got out easy. But they got the fence, the gates, all the concrete setting up. And that's been since yesterday, so that's the first thing they did. And they got it propped up there. And right here. She's gonna look real good. Really good. Yep. And back here they had a heck of a mess back here. Remember all that stuff was back there on the fence that was growed up? That big old pile of stuff right there. I ain't kidding you. That's brush right there as far as you can see. Look, they got the fence all entwined in it. I should have. Well, my neighbors and I share the fence because their net fence is actually connected to mine. So, yeah, it was kind of both our faults that grew up. They won't grow up anymore, I guarantee you that. Put some white vinegar down, or Clorox or something to kill it. Yeah, all right, we'll be back for some updates. And there's the back gate back there. I hadn't got put up yet, but they will. All right, we'll show you some finishing up here in a little bit. See if I can get a hat or a t-shirt out of these people or a sticker or something. All right. Bye-bye. Be back in a little bit. Okay, folks, we're back. Got Milton and Todd of Russell Fence Company. They're putting in a front gate so we have easy access. Get the tractor out, lawnmower out, and all that good stuff. Yeah, we got a roller. They got a 6-foot opening there. And they put concrete all around every single pole. They do pretty work. Yeah, well, we'll be back here in a little bit. Okay, folks, we're back. Here we go. Got the fence up. It looks good, y'all. I'm telling you what. And here is Russell Fence Company. I'll get a close look at that. They do awesome work. Anything you need, anything you want. If you want a galvanized fence, wooden fence, I think they do it all. Let's go in here and see the other side. All right, bear with me. Okay, here's the other side of the fence. They did the sides and the front and the sides. The back was my neighbor's fence. Part of the back was my neighbor's fence, the other part's mine. I connected her, so I love that galvanized. But yeah, they do pretty work. So let me get you a closer look. See the solar panels and all. The black complements it really well. It goes against the house. Just a great color. Here we go. Here's a close up. They just got through putting the label on the fence. So there we go. Russell Fence Company. That's what we want. They do good work. I had several quotes. They give me the best quote here in the Petersburg / Richmond area, Tri-City area. Do great work. Ain't lying. All right. In fact, Luther Russell, the owner of the company, supplied me with my pipe for my mount, my solar mount, my pole mount, there it is, and for my wind turbines. So, and they delivered it free. You can't get no better than that. And the price is reasonable too. So, I mean, there's an asparagus patch down there. And it gets, you know, fence. It's never looked better before. Straight as an arrow. Yeah, they do pretty work, y'all. So, and here's going to the house. And the heat, see the heat pump, the carrier heat pump, and the Davis weather station. I got to move that back toward the fence. So, anyway, yeah, let's look at the gate. But they, just quality work. This metal will be here when I'm gone. I've been let be here a long time. And here's the gate they just put up, as I have front access. Yep. So anyway, yeah, y'all. But let's see here. But hey, folks, I just want to let you know they're an awesome company to deal with. Look them up. I'll leave you a link below on their website and phone number. And they got a hat too. Woohoo! Yeah, Luther Russell Fence Company is awesome to deal with. Give them a shout. Hey, y'all take care. God bless and Semper Fi. Please subscribe. Hey, y'all be good now. Give old Luther a call. Tell him that Kenneth Viar sent you. All right now. Y'all take care. Bye-bye.